Alright, so I figured I would do another update. I am now on my way to rally headquarters to get all my media gear for tomorrow's event. And it's raining. Tomorrow's actually supposed to be pretty nice. It's supposed to be sun, cloud. Last time I checked was 30% chance of precipitation, so looks like it's going to be a good day tomorrow. 8 degrees Celsius. You can look up the conversion for Fahrenheit. But yeah, so I am now officially on my way to pick up all my media gear and fun stuff. And alright, I will let you know. Well, I'll show you what, and it's going to be a while. I have an hour and 42 minutes on the trip remaining, 152 kilometers. So it opened up at 3:30 and I should arrive at 3:46. So yeah, we'll see that, and I will also use some of the advice I received in some of the comments. Thank you, Danny Gonzalez. I am going to actually punch in the GPS coordinates and go from location to location for the different stages in preparation for tomorrow, so I have a better idea as to where I'm going. I'm going to ask a lot of questions when I get to the rally headquarters today to see what the lay of the land is, how they want people to get from one location to another, all that good stuff. And alright, well, I'm just going to enjoy this drive, and I'll see y'all in a bit. So I'm back in my neck of the woods. Yeah, it looks like I'm gonna have to do some more studying and actually follow the map and not rely on the GPS, because the GPS probably sent me a different way to get to that location, and that's where I got all confused. So here's me following the GPS navigation, and then watch what happened the very next day at the exact same location. So right now I'm just on my way to what's known as the Iron Bridge, which is going to be the first stage for tomorrow. I just want to get an idea for the feel of the location. So I was speaking with one of the marshals, and basically the reason for the convoluted directions that I've received is because the amount of stages that are in this rally are not interconnected. So they're all separate spots that are not really linked to each other. So they all start back from the rally headquarters, which is the most convenient way to be able to get to the next stage, because like I said, there is no other connected route to get from stage to stage. And I did see a few rally cars on
in 400 meters, turn left onto Bronson Road, Thibodeau Road.
Almost there. I bust a left, apparently. Okay, yeah, There's some roped off areas.
In 600 meters, turn right to stay on Bronson Road, Thibodeau Road.
I hope I'm not like on the stage itself. I really hope not. Oh my god, I think I might be actually. I'm going to study the map a bit more, and I did speak to one of the guys there. He gave me some really good ideas as to where to go, you know, the best locations for my first time with a lot of high-speed action and stuff. So yeah, all right, well, after this is going to be the actual rally. So excited. Okay, now pay attention to how much this car swings back and forth, and that is the one thing I found with shooting rally racing. You can't use the same technique, at least from what I found, as you would normally do with track cars. These behave completely different. The perspectives are always off. You know, the car swings like a pendulum. You know, the amount of suspension travel, so you can have your panning down pat, but then the car's bouncing, and yeah, it's not quite as simple as it looks. So, even though I did testing before I went out to the rally race, remember I did state that I was using the HD 55-300 PLM along with a CPL, circular polarizer filter, on the front of the lens. Now, my copy of the 55-300 PLM did not really like having the CPL in front of it, which was very evident at night. With the headlights of the cars coming, there was blue reflection that was bounced into the image. Overall, though, I mean, the color rendition of the CPL did work out very well. However, it was struggling with autofocus. And so I ended up just using spot autofocus in AFC. That gave me the best results overall. Now, the thing with shooting rally races is because of the course itself, a lot of it is blind. So you really do not have time to track the vehicle. Once it's there, you just have to shoot. And that was pretty much the experience. So a lot of it was, pre-focusing to a certain area, waiting for the car to get there, and then shooting. Now, the other thing that I found, as I mentioned before, in regards to the pendulum swing of the vehicles, and it happens so fast. With that said, I found the best results that I got was to pick a spot on the vehicle and just track that instead of tracking, it's hard to explain, but instead of tracking, say, the front of the vehicle and hoping the depth of field would work, I would have to pick a specific spot of the vehicle. Some of it may have motion blur, but part of it was super tack sharp, right? So it's just a completely different technique. It was very interesting. And I am going to be going again next year, and hopefully the year after that, gain some more access, because there were sections that had jumps and things like that. I was not able to partake in those because I didn't have the media access yet. So I'm hoping that I will be able to do that next year, maybe the year after. And yeah, overall, this was a very interesting experience. And here's some of the images that you saw, the ones that are lower light with the headlights on. Those are all shot at 12,800 ISO. So the camera did perform very, very well. And if you've never been to a rally race before, and you're into motorsports, if you can, it's so worth it. Yeah, so it was quite a fun time. It was a very interesting learning experience, which I am hoping to be able to continue year over year. If you're wondering, I did not get to keep the media bib thing that I was wearing. I did not actually have to get a vest. Yeah, I didn't have to do that. I didn't realize they were providing such a large bib thing, but it's all good. At least I have something for other events, right? Now, I did get to keep, there's this here, Rally Sport Ontario, which kind of outlines the varying styles of rally racing, because it's not all off-road the way you saw. There's navigational rallies, there's rally cross, then there's performance rally, which is what I was shooting. And then a card, that shows like last year's winner of the Canadian Rally Championship, Rally of the Tall Pines, which is where I was shooting. And I got some stickers that I can shove on my car. So, yeah, at least I got to keep something, right? It's better than nothing. And obviously, I got to keep the media badge itself, right? Yeah, but anyway, that's going to be it for this video. Again, it was an amazing experience, which I hope I will be able to do every year, and just keep improving. As I said, it brand new shooting to me, never shot rally racing before, and yeah, the setup is completely and utterly different. But that's going to be it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and you stayed till the very end, and appreciate all the support over the years. And yeah, I'm going to go. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.